Victor, congratulations on the win in a third-place game. It was an incredible game again. After many years, we've seen a very competitive third-place games. How did you see it?
You know, this Final Four is special because all four teams was not dominating during the regular season, and all four teams who went to the Final Four deserve to win it. And the first semi-final show the tough games, and the teams come to ready to play. Bad things for us, we don't win that semi-final game, so have to fight for third place as well as Barcelona. And when two the strong team match each other on the court, it's always the good game.
At halftime, it was a tie game, but you went really well in the beginning of the third quarter. What happened in the locker room? What did you speak about in the locker room at halftime?
This was basically what we expect in the first game in the semi-final. Fight, hold the way. It doesn't matter if the score is not big for us or for them. Don't get big lead in the halftime and keep fighting through the game.
You had another great game. As we know, you're scoring points. You were hustling under the basket, getting rebounds, getting steals. How was it going against Barcelona big men?
We already matched Barcelona twice during the regular season, so we know what to expect. Surprised us the bad first half with Navarro, but in the second half, how we saw he get hot, start hitting a lot of his shots, and this would make them come back in the game.
So how important is this win for you for the rest of the season?
I mean, it's really important because in front of us still VTB playoff, so we have to play 3 more rounds of playoff. And obviously, after losing the semifinal, everybody was a little sad, a little down. This was not what we expect, but this game give us a little step to come back on our way.
Congratulations, a good game.
Thank you everybody.